Good morning, sir. This is my report in EMC 221 Activity 1. So let's start. First topic is application of 3D graphics. 3D graphics have a vast array of application across various industry and fields. So here are some notable ones: entertainment, architecture and real estate, engineering and manufacturing, medical visualization, education and training, advertising and marketing, and sul- simulation and training. First is entertainment. Entertainment is possibly the most well-known use of 3D graphics is this. The lifelike scenery, characters, and special effect used in movies, TV show, video game, and virtual reality experience are largely made possible by 3D graphics. Next is architecture and real estate. Building interiors and landscape can all be virtually created by architectures and real estate developers using 3D graphics. They can now communicate ideas to customer, envision design more efficiently, and even make virtual tours of house. Next is engineering and manufacturing. 3D graphics are used extensively in engineering and manufacturing for product design, prototyping, and simulation. Engineers can create detailed 3D models of components and systems to test their functionality, performance, and durability before they are physically built. Next is medical visualization. 3D graphics are utilized in the medical industry to visualize surgical simulation, medical imaging data such as CT and MRI scan, and complex anatomical features. Better patient outcomes can be achieved by surgeon through the planning and practice the surgeries using 3D models. Next is education and training. In a variety of industry, 3D graphics are useful resources for teaching and instruction. They can be used to produce interactive simulation, virtual lab, instructional games that make learning difficult subject more interesting and immersive for students. Next is advertising and marketing. 3D graphics are used by marketing companies and advertising agencies to produce visually captivating content for interactive marketing campaigns, promotional videos, and product ads. Brand can use 3D graphics to present their goods in distinctive and memorable way. Simulation and training. For training and simulation, 3D graphics are employed in the military, aviation, and other sectors of the economy. Trainees can rehearse technique and safe and realistic environment by using driving simulators, flight simulators, and virtual training environment. Next topic is role of mathematics in graphics. Mathematics plays a fundamental role in graphics, particularly in computer graphics, where mathematically concepts are used to create, manipulate, and rendering image. So here are some key areas where mathematics is crucial in graphics, like geometry, linear algebra, calculus, trigonometry, numerical methods, probability, and statics. The first one is geometry. At its core, visuals are made of geometry. Mathematical representation exists for concepts like point, line, curve, surface, and form. Mathematical matrices and vectors are used to describe transformation, including translation, rotation, scaling, and sharing. Geometric concepts play a major role. in intersection testing, collision detection, and visuality determination algorithm. Next is linear algebra. In a graphics, linear algebra is often utilized for transformation, projection, and equation system solution. Point in space geometric transformation are represented using matrices and vectors. Numerous graphics algorithms rely on operations like matrix multiplication, vectors addition, and dot product. Next is calculus. In a graphic, calculus is used to form motion dynamic curve and surface modeling and optimization. While integral calculus can be used in a field like volume rendering, differential calculus aid in the comprehension of motion. Next is trigonometry. Understanding angles and rotation in graphics required a solid understanding of trigonometry. Is utilized in illumination, compactation, camera projection, and rotation matrix. In graphics algorithm, trigonometric functions like sine and cosine are frequently utilized. Next is numerical methods. Numerical problem solving in sophisticated mathematics is a common task in graphics. Numerous graphics applications employ numerical techniques such as numerical integration, root identification, interpolation, and approximation. The last one, probability and statistics. In a field like rendering where methods like Monte Carlo integration are utilized to mimic the behavior of light in a picture. Probability theory and statistics are applied. Image processing and analysis can also be done using statistical technique. And that's my report in EMC 221 activity 1.